In this, I see three people working together. First, I see God the Father, I see God the Son, who is the Word, and I see the Holy Spirit. The triune or the Godhead always works in unison. They never are in conflict. They are always together. Let's look at the business person. He also has apparently three spirits. There is the entrepreneurial spirit, which the dean alluded to. There is the managerial spirit, and there is the technician spirit. And the three always oppose each other. The entrepreneurial spirit is the spirit that dreams and enables a business to grow. And if the business owner has that spirit, then he will manage to drive his business to growth amidst the most difficult times. The managerial spirit, they plan, they strategize. It strategizes, it plans, and makes sure that systems are put in place for things to happen. Now we can see already, if the owner of a business has got the entrepreneurial spirit, he's going to be a dreamer and a person that does not want any kind of order and system to prevail. All he wants is to grow and grow and grow the business.
Actually, it was not even youth Pela, but Nabatabadala. It was beautiful. People came out and people were very interested because even after the program, people still wanted to know more about what's happening, where to from here. Yeah.
I was okay. Also, I was happy about the outcome. Your meeting. And then the fact that the community showed up, as Lungelo said, that it was not even about the youth pillar. So we're not going to be concentrating only on youth, but we're going to be helping the community at large. So I'm really interested in doing that.
Fresh. Okay, agenda. I wanted us to talk about the outcome here workshop, of which it was a great success. And then where to from there, because I see from the group Uguti it was a success, but then now we all need to know Uguti what is what, who's doing what.
The preparations, the preparations were a bit hectic, but we managed to pull it through. And the outcome for me, it was great to seeing people, young people especially, who are interested in doing a business and who are interested in taking steps in doing things the right way. In terms of compliance and zonke lezo zinto. So I am hoping we can be able to assist them moving forward. Yeah, that is the highlight. The highlight for me was the whole event, the way it went, the speakers, the whole thing was wonderful.
So the name of the organization, the full name
is Uthando Help Center.
Okay, so it's a help center.
Yes.
So you can't help people who haven't asked. Number one. And what needs to happen is there needs to be a formal process. So you see how in the group it's broken down into the different categories. Now you help each one in the particular category. You can't choose which one you focus on, number one. That's why it was a mistake. Then each group needs to have a particular outcome that it's working to. So we know business empowerment is working towards a market day.
Yes.
Now skills, there needs to be training day.
Yeah.
Then what's the other one?
Agriculture.
No. Work empowerment is job day, where now it's companies coming to say these are the jobs that we have available. So career, so kind of like a career day, because the worst problem, why I called it work empowerment instead of job, is because people need to have a career. They need to look at things with a lifespan, and then they need to look at the prerequisites of that lifespan. Okay, I'm 40 now or I'm 60 now, I want to become a boiler maker. But does my age permit me to do that? So you might have a desire or a passion, but do you have the capability?
The growth potential lies within the segment that is between 35 and 49. The Magogo, 28%, they are tired. They won't contribute much in terms of wealth creation. I suggest that the youth who constitute the 2% be involved more in startups and be assisted by government to stabilize their particular businesses. Gender was another one, and gender men dominated, and yet women form mostly women head households alone. And then there were more women in BSM 1 up to 4.
Will you get accepted into a market unless you employ yourself? So we look at, yes, you can have the career, but you won't get the job. Yes, so in that way, the help desk or the help center needs to unpack and say, okay, you know what, we're going to have somebody who's going to come and give you advice. So then it will be a professional, because now we know we've already got the business advisor, who is Bongani. Bongani works for an institution which deals and specializes with business. There we go. But you can't ask Bongani about training. All you can ask him about is a business. How do I comply? Where do I register? How do I register? And so on and so forth. Then the next one I'm going to bring is somebody in training. Right? Which is Maxton. Maxton, I sent the video in the group.
Oh, yes.
So that person is going to come to Sister Gato. She's going to come and say, this is how you can be trained and this is how you can train others.
Watch out for my repetitions. More women than men should be put in incubators. Why incubators? Incubators are a place where you can start molding the behavior of somebody. On an everyday basis, you can see what somebody is doing. On an everyday basis, you can instruct somebody to do the right thing. And I propose that we be more deliberate here to put more women in incubators for them to learn how to do business. And also, I argue that the divapreneurs and younger people also need to be targeted. I repeat this particular point simply because government programs are good, but most of the time, they are not meant for somebody, they are meant for everybody.
Then we do the market day. From the market day, which I think we can do like end of May.
Yes.
Because that's enough time for us to plan. Yeah, or Labor Day. What's this? Workers' Day.
Workers' Day,
Which
yeah.
is, we
Is
do,
it
yeah,
May?
yeah, 1st of May.
Yeah.
You see, that's enough time because now we're going to March, then it's April, then it's May.
Yeah.
So there's enough time for people to get their businesses, their stock, and us to get the word around so that this is what's going to happen. But this is not for promotion, it's not a festival, it's a trade fair.
Yeah.
You see, so it needs to strictly be that. So we need to make sure that the atmosphere is that. It mustn't be like it's a bash. When people are like, it's like, no, you don't want people, you want to inform people about the businesses. So, and it's about supporting, and it's about people understanding, and then we must be giving, so the only celebrations are, we must be able to get people, like you see how for the soccer tournament, they give out 150,000 for the, let's do a competition for the best bakers.
Yeah.
Let's do a competition for the people who cut hair. Who can cut hair the fastest, the nicest? Who can plait the fastest, the nicest? And then they get 500 rand, 2,000, like things like that. So those are the things. So it's not promotion. If you make your own trala, it's fine. Sharp, we'll have it there. Then the people who make, let's make the biggest quota. You know, how fast can you, how many quotas can you chow?